In this video, we're talking about how to use the distributive property. So distributive property means, distribute means to give out. So it's like you're giving out this number out front to everything that's inside the parentheses. So I'm going to do this two different ways. I'm going to draw the tiles the first time, and then the second time I'll just do it algebraically. Okay, so again, remember, this is like saying that there's two groups of whatever's inside the parentheses. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the tiles that are in here. So I'm going to draw 4 unit tiles. Okay, there's my 4 units. And then let me draw 1 X tile. Okay, so that's one group of those tiles. But I want 2 groups of them. So I'm going to go ahead and draw one more. So got my 4 units. And I've got another X tile. So there's one group and then 2 groups. So now I just want to count up how many tiles I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. And then I have 1 and 2 X tiles. And that would be my final answer, because I can't combine units and X's anymore. Okay, so let's say I want to just do this algebraically, which means without drawing the tiles. So whenever I have just a number in front of the parentheses, it means I want to take this number in front and I want to multiply it by the first term. So I would do 2 times 4. And then I want to multiply it by 2 times X. So again, I'm taking that number out front and I'm multiplying it by everything that's inside the parentheses here. Okay, so if I do that, I start with 2 times 4 plus 2 times X. Okay, so 2 times 4 is 8. And then 2 times X would just be 2X. And so you can see that I got the same answer that I did when I did it up here using the tiles. So you could do it either way. All right, let's do the second one. So this is negative and then 20X minus 4. So whenever we have this negative up here, there's like an invisible 1 that's right here. So this is really negative 1 times 20x minus 4. Now I'm not going to draw the tiles on this one because I don't really want to draw 20x's, but I'm going to distribute or multiply like I did in the first one. So I'm going to do negative 1 times 20x and then negative 1 times negative 4. So again, whatever's inside the parentheses, I take this front number, I'm going to multiply it by everything that's inside here. Okay, so I have negative 1 times 20x, and then plus, and then I have negative 1 times negative 4. So negative 1 times negative 4. And now I just want to multiply what I have. So negative 1 times 20x is negative 20x. And then negative 1 times negative 4 would give me a positive 4. And again, that's my final answer because I can't combine x's and units. So again, with distributing, you're just taking that number in front and you're just multiplying it by all of the terms inside of the parentheses.